Certainly, here's a story about a boy who overcomes his fear of speaking English. Thiru was a bright boy from a small village in Tamil Nadu, India. He loved to read and was fascinated by the world around him. However, his English classes were a source of constant anxiety. The unfamiliar sounds, the complex grammar, and the fear of making mistakes left him tongue-tied. He yearned to speak English fluently. He dreamt of conversing with people from different parts of the world, of exploring English literature, and of confidently expressing his own thoughts and ideas. But every time he tried to speak, his words stumbled, his voice trembled, and he would retreat into silence. Determined to overcome his fear, Thiru started small. He began by listening to English songs and watching English cartoons, trying to mimic the pronunciation. He read children's books aloud, focusing on clear articulation. He even started writing short stories in English, though they were initially filled with grammatical errors. He found a kindred spirit in his English teacher, Miss Priya. Miss Priya was patient and encouraging. She never ridiculed his mistakes but gently guided him towards improvement. She introduced him to simple English games, encouraged him to participate in class discussions, and even organized a small English drama club. Slowly but surely, Thiru's confidence began to grow. He started to speak in short, simple sentences, gradually expanding his vocabulary. He joined the school's English debate club, initially feeling like an alien in a foreign land. But with practice and the support of his friends, he began to articulate his thoughts with increasing clarity and conviction. One day, the school was organizing an inter-school English elocution competition. Thiru, initially hesitant, decided to give it a try. He spent hours practicing his speech, honing his delivery, and memorizing his lines. The day of the competition arrived. Thiru stood on the stage, his heart pounding. But as he began to speak, a sense of calm washed over him. He spoke with confidence, his voice clear and resonant. He expressed his thoughts eloquently, captivating the audience with his words. When the results were announced, Thiru was declared the winner. He was overjoyed. He had overcome his fear of English and discovered a newfound confidence within himself. From that day on, Thiru was a changed boy. He was no longer afraid to speak English. He actively participated in class, his voice a welcome addition to the classroom discussions. He even started tutoring his younger siblings in English, passing on his newfound knowledge. Thiru had learned that with dedication, perseverance, and a little bit of courage, anything was possible. He had not only learned to speak English fluently, but also discovered a love for the language and a newfound confidence in himself. Key themes: overcoming fear. The story emphasizes the importance of overcoming fear and the power of perseverance in achieving one's goals. The joy of learning. It highlights the joy of learning a new language and the satisfaction of overcoming a challenge. The power of encouragement. The role of Miss Priya and the support of his friends in Thiru's journey is crucial. Confidence building. The story underscores the importance of building confidence in oneself and the transformative power of self-belief. I hope this story resonates with you.